Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, we are using Remy here. As you guys can see, it's in a wet and wavy pattern. There we go. I wet it down with a little setting lotion. Actually, I washed it, and that's the curl pattern. We're gonna do finger waves today, so guys, pay attention if you're new here. My name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-tos, tutorials, unboxings, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit that subscribe button and join the squad, and I will love on you over here. Now, as seen, I started off with 2 tracks of 27 pieces to put at the very bottom, and now I proceeded to start with the wet and wavy here from Remy. Those are the sideburns I'm just added in before I go in. So guys, just pay attention. It's basically a visual tutorial, and it's a quick weave with finger waves. So hit that like if you like the video. At the end, you can leave me an E for effort. And if you're not subscribed and you always watch, just please take time out to smash that subscribe button and join. So I'm in the middle now, almost to the top. If you want to see how to do a full quick weave, this is basically basic. So I have plenty of videos on my channel where you can learn how to do a full quick weave. But if you pay close attention, I'm sure you'll pick up a lot of techniques from this video to add it to your own. And if you're in hair school, they really focus on finger waves. And I know, guys, that they have a clinic to where you go to do walk-in clients when they come in. So you need to get on your game, watch these videos, and make sure you're subscribed, because I remember hair school days and I loved going to the clinic, because when you did those clients here that came in, and they literally used to charge the clients like $10-12 for like a whole haircut, or for like a perm winding or a relaxer. It was so cheap. But when I tell you, some days we would go to school, didn't have any money, and when you get to the clinic and get a request from someone that you did before, and they're requesting you again, and the tip be so nice. They used to tip like $20, and you would have a nice lunch, So big up to all the hair school students. This is an affordable style that lasts for at least 3 weeks, literally. Your clients would love it. Hit that like button, guys. Make sure you're subscribed. And remember, I have super thanks. I also have membership where you can join and to get personal classes and personal tips on certain things that you want to know. So now we're here at the closing, which is very important. I hate using the pieces, I keep using that word, but I hate using the pieces that sent into the packages of the hair to close it up. And most of the time, this is a pack of curly hair, you don't get a closure. So you need to know how to close a quick weave, guys. Pay close attention. Again, I have a lot of videos on how to close up a quick weave. You need to master this. All right, guys, so let's go on how to close up a quick weave. Of course, the glue that I am using is Salon. I think it's Salon Pro. Yes, it is Salon Pro. I am using Salon Pro 30-second glue. It is way better than the normal Salon Pro, just normal glue. It really dries quicker, so I suggest that you guys, spend a little extra buck, which is not much. They're around the same price, so just make sure you get that 30-second Salon Pro glue. So handlers, sometimes you might see me use the tip of my shears to close. Remember to be careful. We're not pressing down into the, like, the weave. Please be careful. Disclaimer, do not use the tip of your scissor. You can use like the handle of the scissor where you just saw me use it first, or you can use like the tail comb, but do not use the tip of the scissor if you're not really professional at doing that. So here we go. We're about to style the quick weave, and I'm just keeping it natural. I'm not even editing anything. I'm just gonna talk natural. One of my viewers said that I don't talk much, which honestly I really do not talk much in real life. So I'm trying to like keep up with the videos where I don't have to use that much music, but I hope you guys are still enjoying my video and appreciate what I'm putting out. So right now I'm just cutting down the hair so we don't have that much hair to like work with. It's gonna be short. She doesn't want it long. That's why I started out with 227 pieces, so that's why I'm cutting it down. So y'all, my model right here, she did not want a lace closure. She did not want any lace. She just wanted the total full quick weave. So we're doing what I used to call it. I used to call it like a fake part or invisible part. It's not really going to be showing by the time I'm done with the style, but yeah, she didn't want that lace business. So pay attention. I am using raw Lotta Body so it can dry quicker and it will be really shiny when it's done. So guys, remember to leave a like on the video. Get me out there in the algorithms. Come on, let's go. Get your girl out there. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. And I want to thank you handlers so much. I love you guys for all the support. I see it. I get all the comments. I get everything. So I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. So everyone, in my city where I'm from, we call it finger waves. No matter what type of waves, whether it's ocean waves, whether it's, just regular finger waves that's done with another tail comb and not your actual finger. And there's many ways that I do finger waves. So I just put it under one umbrella, which is finger wave, which under that umbrella, it can be a lot of different waves because it really depends on the type of hair you buy. If you use straight hair to do finger waves, with the tail comb is what I'm pointing out. If we use straight hair, it gives us a different type of wave than if we use deep wave hair, or if we use body wave hair, or if we use water wave hair, so it really depends on the wave, on the type of wave that you're going to get. It really depends on the hair is what I meant to say, if that's what I said. But yeah, with curly hair and deep wave hair or loose wave hair, you're definitely going to get like a more tighter, deep wave. With straight hair, you're definitely going to have like an ocean wave type of thing where the wave is way more neater. And yeah, so I can show you better than I can tell you. So maybe we'll do a tutorial video on using just straight hair to do finger wave, because this particular model, she always used curly hair to do her waves, so it's a different look. So I'm gonna get into different types of hair that comes out, the results are different. So I'm gonna probably do a little series on that for you guys. But yeah, it really depends on the hair you use. Now, if you're doing finger waves with a tail comb, not your actual finger, on regular hair, that's another thing too. So I'm going to show you guys that stuff eventually down the line. But what I'm trying to say at the end of the day, different texture hair gives you different types of waves. So the spray that I'm using here is Pump It Up. I am spraying it within my waves. So of course I'm trying to cut down dryer time because guys, you know this electric bill be high. Inflation is real. So you cut down drying time. You can add a little bit of spritz into the waves. We got to do that because like I said, inflation. So my lovely handlers, I hope you are enjoying the video thus far. I am done. I put a wrap sheet at the very bottom to place her under the dryer. And guys, look at that light to the left over there. I need to give you guys the tea on that beautiful light that is shining over there on the left. So handlers, what I'm talking about is this LED desk lamp clamp. It's so awesome. I love it. I love it so much. They said it's the architect desk lamp, but you can use this for anything. Like if you do makeup, if you do hair, if you just want to like get dressed and have awesome lighting, you can have this. Like, it's so awesome. Look at the lights. It's so different. I'm about to show you guys what this thing is capable of. This beauty has 3 ultra bright light bars designed for fully vertical adjustment and horizontal adjustment. You can just turn this thing any way you want. Bilateral light bars up and to expand lighting coverage up to 80 inches. Perfect for large lighting. Guys, you see how long this thing is? It swivels any way you want it to go. These 2 items right here, like, you can turn it anyway. You don't have to turn it, like, take it off and move it and feel uncomfortable. And the ring right here, it moves so freely. You can really put this thing anywhere. Right here, this is where you can plug in for electricity, for it to light up. That is where you plug it in. And again, it closes up so neatly, ready to go. If you're traveling, this is the most awesome thing I've gotten so far, and I hope you guys enjoy this item. The link to this item will be below in the description, so guys, get you one. You can't go wrong with this, and I believe I have a discount code, so you'll get something off. Look at that. Just fold it up, take it where you want to go, put it in your suitcase, and let's travel. Yes. All right. So back to the video. So now I am wiping down my model with just a little bit of alcohol mixed with water, clean her up, and she's done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to leave a like. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you want to know anything in depth, just hit me up in the comment section. Leave an E for effort, and I love you guys for all the support. Mwah.